weather or not. The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is made up of when greenhouse gases are trapped in the Earth's atmosphere. These include H2O, nitrous oxide, CO2, and methane. CO2 is mostly produced by factories and vehicles such as cars. Methane, however, is produced by livestock, and, for example, when animals fart.
The enhanced greenhouse effect is when too many greenhouse gases get trapped in the Earth's atmosphere from human activity. The main two of these are methane, which is produced by livestock, and CO2, which is produced by factories. These have both been on the rise since the Industrial Revolution. This is something we should be concerned about.
So how does the greenhouse effect work? The greenhouse effect is a natural process with short wave or solar radiation. It comes from the sun towards Earth. Some of it is reflected off back into space, but some of it manages to enter our atmosphere and comes in as long wave radiation, otherwise known as infrared radiation or heat. But as it gets trapped in the atmosphere, it heats the surface up, just like a greenhouse. So what are the greenhouse effect causes? First of all, the greenhouse effect keeps a stable environment, and it is also able to support life, such as us and humans. So overall, the greenhouse effect is a good thing.
The polar vortexes. The polar vortexes is the currents of air surrounding the poles. Due to global warming the poles at a faster rate than it's warming the rest of the world, these currents are becoming wavy. This will cause cold spikes in places that are normally warmer and drier, also affecting the rainfall of these areas and also making the areas that would normally have more rain drier.
So what does the enhanced greenhouse effect impact on the economy in the countries? First of all, tourism is highly affected, as wetter areas won't get as much tourism, but countries that are trying to help global warming will get a better economy and more tourism. But how does extreme weather affect humans such as us? First of all, homes where people live. This will all be destroyed as extreme weather is increasing year by year. The environment, all the trees, will affect all the species as they are destroyed. See, this is certainly concerning about humans.
Since the Industrial Revolution, the levels of CO2 have risen by over 30%, and methane over doubled.
So how can we stop global warming? First of all, we can plant more trees, reduce the number of factories and vehicles, such as cars and vans. You can also go vegan or vegetarian. This is something that we need to do urgently.
The other solution is to have a nuclear war, as this will get rid of some greenhouse gases, such as ozone.